All right, this is Ubaid on behalf of V Electronics, and in this video, we'll be solving word problems. All right, so starting with number 21 over here. The sum of three consecutive odd integers is 117. Okay, find the integers. So we know when it comes to odd numbers, we're talking about 1, 3, okay, 5, 7, so on and so forth. So these are called odd numbers. Okay, so these are odd. Okay, even would be 2, 4, okay, 6, 8, and these are even. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve this equation over here. So sum of three consecutive odd integers. So when we say integers, we're talking about real numbers. We're not talking about decimals. We're talking about whole numbers, such as 1, 3, 5. Not 1.1, not 2.5. Okay, whole numbers, okay, without decimals. All right, so we know that x plus x plus 1, okay, because this is odd, right? So x plus 1, suppose x is 1, so, okay, x plus 1, okay, this will be 2, all right? So we need to change this to x plus 2, all right? So x plus 2 plus x, okay, plus 4 equals 117. All right, so 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, these are all odd. So equals 117. So now we need to find the value for x. Okay, so we know that x plus x plus x plus 2 plus 4 equals 117. So we know that 3x plus 6 equals 117. So we know that 3x will be 117. Okay, 117 minus 6. Okay, this will be 117 minus 6, which is 111. So therefore, x will be 37. Okay, so x is 37. Since x is 37, we know that x plus 2 will be 39. That's your second integer without decimals. And the third one, x plus 4, will be 37 plus 4, which is 41. Okay, and if you add them up, 37 plus 39 plus 41 will equal to 117. That's the total we're looking for. All right. So this is how you verify and double check. Okay, so next up, okay, this is question number 25. So a graphic designer wishes to crop an image in the width to height ratio of 3 to 2. If the height is required to be 400 pixels, then how many pixels should the width be set? Okay, so we know that height is 400 pixels. Okay, and when we look at this ratio, 3 to 2, 2 has to do with height. Okay, so we can do cross multiplication for this word problem. So we know that from our ratio 3 to 2, 2 has to do with height. We know that 2 is 400 pixels. So now we need to find what 3 is. Okay, so 3 is how much? So this will be 3 into 400. Okay, divide by 2. Okay, is equal to x. So your x will be 400 times 3, which will be 1200. divide by 2. This will be 600 pixels. All right. So we know that your height should be 400 pixels and your width should be 600. And the way you verify 600 divided by 400 and simplify, okay, this is 3. Okay, 2 goes into 4 twice. So we have 3 over 2 as our ratio. Okay, so 3 to 2, 3 over 2, 3 to 2. This is your ratio. All right, this is how you verify. All right, so this is basically how you solve word problems. On behalf of V Electronics, this is Obey. Have yourself a great day.